Welcome to another video. It's day 250. This week we're gonna continue. Doing lead code because pretty busy this week. Still thinking of a project to do. Once I start my senior project, we're actually in the process of planning it out. I probably can record those. So, yeah. We'll keep it going. But anyways, let's keep this going. So we have food ratings. We have a list of foods, cuisines, and ratings. Change rating. Okay. Food ratings. In legislation, the food items are described by foods, cuisines, ratings. Return the highest rating. Returns the highest rated food for a type of cuisine in the system. Foods of I is the name of I food. Okay. This is the type of. Okay. So like kimchi is Korean, miso is Japanese, sushi is also Japanese. Okay. Ratings is how high. Ratings is already given in a tuple. Oh. Actually, I don't know. Okay, yeah. Changes the rating of the food. So we're given the food. And then the new rating. Okay. Highest rating is, whatever it is. Okay. So what data structure streams? Already off the bat, I kind of want to know. I kind of want to know what. What I can use. So a heap is kind of screaming at me a little bit because I can have the cuisines. Okay, what is the purpose of cuisine? I don't see the value of this. So we're given the food name, right? And then we have to go find the rating. But we go find the rating. What is the point of cuisines? I actually don't get it. Okay. I'm thinking of keeping a sort, like, we can sort the ratings, right? Oh, wait, hold on. I actually don't understand. Highest. Returns the name of foods that has the highest rating for the given type of cuisine. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. That's why the cuisine is there. So we're given a cuisine, right? And then if cuisine is find the highest one. Ooh, okay. We have to have like a bucket. Okay. Returns the name of the food that has the highest. So we can definitely have some kind of like tuple, right? Where it's like we have rating, food, quiz, cuisine, I think. Oh, um, yeah, like this. We can have a tuple like this, right? We could have a tuple like this, and it kind of builds it out. Right, and then we can have a heap, and then the problem is the problem is I need to get access to changing it really fast, right? Um, what could I use? A heap, some sorted list. I guess I can sort it. But how could I find it? You know, how could I find the food, you know? I'm gonna do brute force for now. I'll just have self dot, um, I guess, items, right? And for every item, oh god, alright, actually, for I in range of length of foods. Hold on. Foods, cuisines, ratings will always be the same size, right? Yep, perfect. So we can do this. Self dot. I gotta do this Pythonic, man. Length of foods. We'll do this. I'll be a little bit more Pythonic. So we could do ratings. Right? Then we'll have foods. Then we'll have cuisine. Wait, hold on. I need to understand this. Alright, returns the name of the food item that has the highest. Yeah, okay. It's good. This is pretty brute force, unfortunately. I just can't think of a more optimal way. But I think maybe heap could be used, but whatever. And then self dot items. Dot sort. Right? It will sort by the ratings. Change rating is so for every. I don't care about this. Um, in self dot items. I feel like you're supposed to use a map for this, but if I get TLE, then yeah, I might get a TLE. Not gonna lie. If food equals f um, self dot item. Damn, I actually need to change this. I'm gonna do this. I and let's do enumerate of I equals I need I don't really care about this, but we do need the cuisine, so we'll do C. So with the new rating, new rating and new rating, food, and C. And then we'll do self dot items. sort. Oh man, it will break out. Highest rated. Basically just self dot. I guess res here. I guess for every cuisine in self dot items, right? If C equals cuisine, actually, I do need the rating. And R highest rated, right? And R greater than highest rated. Res equals C, return res. We should probably update highest rated to equal to R. Uh-oh. Maybe I'm not understanding it. If C cuisine and R equals and R equals highest okay, I guess we can do this. We can put C. Actually, no. Highest rated. Then we'll do this. Res is going to equal res if res less than R else R. Man. Oh wait, I have the cuisine. Oh, I'm supposed to return the food. Oh shoot. Food. Okay, food, hold on. So res equals let's say res if res is less than F else F. Man, that sucks. Kimchi ramen noodles sushi. I think it's this. What am I missing, guys? Oh, okay. Food, yeah. Ratings, foods, cuisines. Hold on, I gotta see this real quick. Print. We have this. Okay. We have it in ascending order. This is definitely not gonna work, but I'm trying to get the brute force to work. Okay, let me just get rid of this. I'm just gonna assume it's gonna be alphabetical. I don't know if the sorting will do it for us. Damn, okay. What am I missing here? An R greater than the highest rated. Set highest rated and set the current food. What am I missing here? Is it because S, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, okay, Q, R, okay, so it's, okay, yeah, that's exactly the case I need to consider. Okay, let's do this. Let's say key equals lambda x of 0 and x of 1. No. X of 0 and x of the food itself, which is 1, yeah. So I want you to sort by that. Yeah. What am I missing? $16, okay. So right now, sushi is actually, ramen is first. Ah, okay, yeah. It is, hold on, it makes sense now. Okay, I got it now, I got it. So this should be fine, right? Let me just fix this real quick. Ramen should come first. Yep, okay, that's fine. Now it's gonna reassign it, okay. If, that's right here. Wait, hold on. This is bad. We gotta do another case. If C equals cuisine and R is equal to highest rated, right? Then res is going to equal if res is less than F, then if greater than, right, then res equals F. Oh, I see why. Let's do this. Continue. Hold on. I think it should be this. Else. Elif. Damn, this sushi is not switching. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what's the best way I can do this. Right? Let me see something. Print. Let me see something. Leak code here. Right? So if I do print, let's say ramen sushi. Is this true? Yes. I see, I see. Okay, so I actually don't want to go to sushi, that's why. Don't even set it at all, right? So we'll do this. If C equals cuisine and res is I have to do it here. It makes more sense to do it here. Alright. Right. Put the food if res if res the new one if res is greater than f else res. Bro, how I don't understand. Oh. Okay, that makes sense. Because an empty string is always gonna. Oh my god, I have to do this. If res is not equal to this, let's do this. None. If res and res is less than food, then res is equal to. Okay, this is never gonna execute. Hold on. Dude, I need a better way to freaking fix this like lexicographical thing. Why can't I think of it? Res equals R or F, right? Right? Let's do this. If res, then yeah, you're fine. If else res equals this. I guess if not res, then do that, and then continue. Otherwise, we'll do res equals. We'll do res equals f if res is greater than f, else res. This is probably the most atrocious code I've written around. Okay, I'm still not getting it, bro. I don't know why. Bro, this is actually getting me annoying. I'm figuring this out. Okay, so first things first. Let's do this. If so there's actually two cases. If they're okay, so if C, let's do this, and that rating is higher, then we'll do res equal F. That's simple. LF. If C equals cuisine, right? Cuisine um, and R equals highest rated, right? Now we want to check. Okay, well we found someone that is the same, but we don't know about their actual food. So let's do this. Res is equal to the new food if res is greater than that food. Otherwise, just keep res. Bro, I don't get it. How does sushi get there? Let me see something. Print. Bruh. Okay, so it actually doesn't go this one. Let's do this one. How did I get sushi? I think it's the way I sorted it. I don't know. I can't figure this out. Let me try to think about it later. Priority queue. Ordered set. I actually have never used an ordered set. I see. Let me see something. So if we have a set here, right? Let's redo this. If we have a set, we don't have to. We can just add on to the thing, and we just always return the last one. I guess ordered set Python. I've never used this before, so I'm gonna see. I swear we have one. Hold on. Import from collections, or I guess import collections. I swear there was something like this. So we had order dictionary. Dictionary stuff like that remembers the order entries were added. Okay, that's more. I'll use that. We'll have. So we're gonna have one. Okay, okay. So first things first, I need to do this. I'm gonna do this instead. So we're gonna have food to rating, a list of ratings, right? The last one is the um, current rating of the. Um, okay. But the thing is cuisine now. So we could do attach it right here. So we'll say food, and it belongs to. We'll do food, right? We'll do food, right? Um, Cuisine, right? So let's do it like that. Self dot items default dict. Let's do a list, and then so change rating. We'll just say self dot items is basically damn. Fuck. Okay, I actually need to. Well, if the food is unique, then I can look it up, right? Okay, I have food. I'll do one for cuisine, right? Um, I will say like food to rating, and then food cuisine to foods, right? So when we're given a food, that's an easy fix. We're given a cuisine. I go through the. Okay, I got it now. I got it. I got it. I got it. So this is food ratings. And we'll do this is cuisine. Um, cuisine foods. All right. Then we'll do for every food in foods. We'll do. I guess hold on. For I in range of length of ratings. Not ratings. Let's do foods. We'll do self dot food rating. We'll do foods I dot append ratings I, right? Let's do the same thing here. For I range of cuisines. Cuisine foods. Say cuisines. I dot append the food I yeah. Then change rating. That's simple ish. We'll just do self dot food ratings. That food the append new rating, right? Then we'll do this, highest rated. So how do we find that? Well, we have to iterate through food, right? We don't know yet. So let's iterate through for every key v in food ratings dot items, right? If I guess yeah, we'll say v of -1. Let's say actually rating rating, say ratings, and then ratings at the last one, because that's the latest one. If ratings at the last one curve highest or max, then food equals food. Let's call it food, I guess. Right? And max equals ratings. Yeah, max equals ratings at -1. Oh, I don't even care about. Wait, we're mapping cuisine I to the food I. Oh. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I messed this up. We have to iterate. Hold on. We have to iterate through for every cuisine foods in self dot cuisine foods, right? Then we have to go for every in foods self dot food rating F. The last one is my actual rating, right? Right? Then I can say if rating greater than max, then max equals rating, and we can say food equals F. Return food. Oops. Items. Still. Dude, I can't figure it out. Why is this actually happening? You know what? This is an L today. I'll come back to this tomorrow. This is a lot harder than I thought. Let me see if I can look at the solution. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.